There are people who have money, and people who are rich. A girl should be two things: classy and fabulous. In order to be irreplaceable, one must always be different. Guilt is perhaps the most painful companion of death. Success is often achieved by those who don't know that failure is inevitable. Look for the woman in the dress. If there is no woman, there is no dress. Some people think luxury is the opposite of poverty. It is not. It is the opposite of vulgarity. How many cares one loses when one decides not to be something, but to be someone. Elegance is not the prerogative of those who have just escaped from adolescence, but of those who have already taken possession of their future. Fashion is architecture. It is a matter of proportions. There is no time for cut and dried monotony. There is time for work, and time for love. That leaves no other time. I am not young, but I feel young. The day I feel old I will go to bed, and stay there. I feel that to live is a wonderful thing. Elegance does not consist in putting on a new dress. Women must tell men always that they are the strong ones. They are the big, the strong, the wonderful. In truth, women are the strong ones. It is just my opinion. I am not a professor. Those who create are rare. Those who cannot are numerous. Therefore the latter are stronger. There have been several Duchesses of Westminster, but there is only one Chanel. Don't spend time beating on a wall, hoping to transform it into a door. Fashion fades, only style remains the same. Nature gives you the face you have at 20, it is up to you to merit the face you have at 50. The most courageous act is still to think for yourself. Aloud. Hard times arouse an instinctive desire for authenticity. Luxury must be comfortable, otherwise it is not luxury. Fashion is not something that exists in dresses only. Fashion is in the sky, in the street. Fashion has to do with ideas, the way we live, what is happening. As long as you know men are like children, you know everything. A woman has the age she deserves. It is always better to be slightly underdressed. A woman who doesn't wear perfume has no future. Women have always been the strong ones of the world. The men are always seeking from women a little pillow to put their heads down on. They are always longing for the mother, who held them as infants. Since everything is in our heads, we had better not lose them. I don't know why women want any of the things men have, when one of the things that women have is men. Great loves too must be endured. Fashion is made to become unfashionable. Gentleness doesn't get work done, unless you happen to be a hen laying eggs. A fashion that does not reach the streets is not a fashion. When I find a color darker than black, I'll wear it. But until then, I'm wearing black. Costume jewelry is not made to give women an aura of wealth, but to make them beautiful.